I am going to talk about positive and negative effects of technology on the environment and how to mitigate environmental damage, as well as how do I see the future of our planet. From my point of view, technology is not the problem, but the bad use we make of it. Large corporations, for example, exploit nature, thinking only about their profits and considering that natural resources are infinite, no finite. So they produce enormous pollution and global warming. But not only large corporations. We do the same with our consumerism society and with our way of life, with our bad habits. To mitigate the bad effects of the use of technology, I think that we could use the same technology, producing, for example, electric cars and producing alternative energies like solar panels and aeolic energy. But we have to go further. Humanity has a challenge to create another kind of society without consumerism, another economy where the main reason to produce is not the profits, but the life. The life in the planet, I think, in the future is dark. The life is in serious risk of disappearing if the current trends of consumerism and the bad use of technology continues. That's why we should really change our way of life, and this economy that exploit the nature the way I said before.